Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and welcome to episode 11 in our devlog series. Mostly this week I've been trying to do a ton of bug fixing and just getting the game ready for completion of phase 1 of our project, which is a very exciting moment in our project because this game has been in development for over a year now, especially this version of it just hit over a year this month, so we want to get phase 1 completed and maybe hurry up the other phases along. Wednesday, my main focus was getting the scroll weapon selection from using integers to using an enum system to help readability of the code. We wanted to do this just to us removing dual wielding and leaving us only with two different type of weapon types, so just it would increase readability in the code and just kind of overall help make the code flow a lot better. Thursday, I finally got around to doing something I was procrastinating on, and that was unequipping weapons. I didn't really have a good system for equipping and unequipping weapons, so I kind of left that off to do at a later date, but the more I actually played around, the more I wanted to actually get that finished, so I redid some of the equipping and unequipping code, and I finally got it to work correctly. So now you can equip weapons by drag and drop, and you can unequip weapons, which just makes the game feel so much better and just actually gives it some juice. So I kind of want to add a couple new weapons later on this week or next week just to, give a purpose for that. Also, I actually did fix a couple of bugs in the AI. I really tried to flesh out the AI and just fix up some loose ends I had in the overall project. It was kind of annoying because when I switched over from using my own finite state machine to using the animator, I had a lot of bugs and just kind of weird instances of the animation looking weird, which I still do have and I'm going to be fixing over the next 2 weeks, but hopefully it looks way better now. Saturday, it was a pretty busy day. I didn't really have much to do, so I just got a ton of development done. The first thing I did was change the backend to the weapon selection. We used a simple integer value where you add or subtract based on the weapon type, but since we switched that to an enum, I wanted to completely redo the weapon selection at the same time so it all just flows better. So with the help of the other programmer, he taught me a way called wrappable modulus operators, which is a really useful way to wrap around a type of range between numbers. So we used that to get the weapon selection perfect. We had this weird inconsistency between the weapon selections using the previous system where you would scroll and it would switch the weapon, but it wouldn't actually switch the weapon type that's currently equipped, so it would be kind of really buggy, but now that's all completely finished. The other thing I did was actually split up the battle manager from inside a player script, which didn't belong there, to a separate class that wouldn't be destroyed, and it's its own instance, so it can just be called without any references, which works way better than what I had before. Also, I reworked the combo manager on Saturday. It works so much better now. Instead of worrying about timings and having these like 0.15 seconds where you have to click to actually continue the combo, as long as you clicked before a certain time in the animation, which is the recovery phase, you'll be able to continue your animation. Also, the animator actually created a brand new attack animations which feel way more responsive, and I just fell in love with them, so we implemented that day 2. Monday was the last day of development for this week. We didn't really get too much done that day, but we finally got around to making the main menu more modern and just fixing up all the issues that came with using outdated assets for the main menu. In addition, we found a bug that actually breaks the fade in and the fade out during the transitions of the two scenes between going from main menu to gameplay. So I asked the other programmer to help me out with this, and in a few short minutes we actually solved that bug, and that wasn't an issue anymore. That's all the development for this week, guys. We had some other small bug fixes and adjustments, but nothing really noteworthy. Remember, if you guys are interested in supporting this channel and the development of this game, go check out our Patreon page in the description below. All the money goes straight back into this project and just shows us that you are just extremely enjoying our content and just what we're putting out. And also, thank you guys for the support recently. In just a week, we gained over 130 subscribers, and that's just insane to me. The support has been crazy lately. And again, thank thank you for all our new subscribers. Come join the community in the description below. Go follow the Instagram, Twitter, and join the Discord. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys next week.